In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for artists on Redbubble, a platform renowned for its unique and independently designed products. Whether you're on the hunt for a specific artist's work, or just browsing to discover new and exciting designs, this guide will walk you through the process, step by step, making it as effortless as possible. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to the Redbubble homepage. This is where the magic happens, showcasing a plethora of products designed by independent artists from around the globe. Once you're on the homepage, your next action is to log in to your account. You'll see the login option prominently displayed. Clicking on this will lead you to the login page. If you're new to Redbubble, take a moment to create an account. Otherwise, proceed to log in. On the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Be sure to type in the email associated with your Redbubble account. This is key to accessing your account, where you can manage your favorites, your cart, and more. Following your email, you'll then need to enter your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so ensure you're inputting it exactly as you set it up. If you've forgotten your password, don't panic. Redbubble offers a password reset option to get you back on track in no time. After entering your credentials, simply click on the login button. Assuming you've entered everything correctly, you'll be logged in and redirected to the home page again, or to your account dashboard, from where you can begin your journey into Redbubble's vast world of art. Now, with the login process out of the way, it's time to dive into the fun part, searching for artists. Redbubble's search functionality is quite intuitive. For demonstration purposes, in this guide, we'll be searching for an artist known as the Cherry Stand. Of course, you can substitute this with any artist name you're looking for. Navigate back to the Redbubble homepage if you're not already there. On the page, you'll find a search bar. This is your gateway to discovering the vast array of artistic talents on the platform. Click on this search bar and type in the name of the artist you're searching for. In our example, that would be the Cherry Stand. As you type, Redbubble will dynamically suggest results tailored to your query, making it easier to find what you're looking for without having to type the entire name. Once you've entered the artist's name, proceed to click on the suggested result that matches your search or press enter to view all results related to your query. Upon hitting enter or clicking on the suggested artist's name, you'll be taken to a page filled with products featuring the artist's work. Here's where the real exploration begins. You can browse through the available items, admire the artist's creativity, and even purchase something if it catches your eye. If you're interested in learning more about the artist or exploring their entire collection, look for the View Shop option. Clicking on this will direct you to the artist's Redbubble shop. It's a dedicated space that showcases all of the artist's work available on the platform, allowing you to dive deeper into their world, learn a bit about them, and see the full range of their designs and products. Through these steps, Redbubble makes it incredibly easy to find and support independent artists. By purchasing their work, you're not only getting yourself or someone else a unique piece, but also directly contributing to the artist's success. It's a simple yet impactful way to support the global community of creators. Remember, the beauty of Redbubble lies in its diversity and the endless discovery of new art and unique products. Whether you have a specific artist in mind, or you're just in the mood to browse and let serendipity guide you, Redbubble offers a platform where every click unveils a new piece of art waiting to be appreciated. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to successfully search for artists on Redbubble. Go ahead, give it a try yourself. Dive into the vibrant world of Redbubble artists, and who knows, you might just find your next favourite piece of art or the perfect gift for a loved one. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned Redbubble shopper or new to the platform, I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your browsing and shopping experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on making the most out of your online shopping adventures. Happy exploring!